So all of you are welcome to Kisii. This is a great county. These are great people. These are people that are going to make a very serious decision in 2022. Because when we are together, the number of Omogusii'S people in Kisii and Nyamira and those in the diaspora, the number is almost equal. So we are going to make a very big decision in 2022. And it will be an independent decision at that particular time. Because we know who is good and who is not good. It is not inside here. We all know who is good and who is not good. So at that time we'll make a decision. Ladies and gentlemen, let me not talk too much, but let me say this, that as a country where we are right now, and even the changes that we need to make, for instance, the new constitution has got 35% of the budget coming to the counties. 35% from the current 15%. And that is a fact. Omogusii'S minto moigwete. Ekinege ndorote kotoletera magenderero. Abanchete igobara abange. Mbarenga mutakete BBI enyorokira magoko. I had somebody coming here, and I'm not ashamed to say it. You know, when you are a visitor and you go somewhere, don't go and talk bad of your brother in that place. It is bad manners. Don't do that. That's very bad manners. Whoever did so is very bad manners. Having said that, ladies and gentlemen, it's now my singular duty to invite Baba to talk to us. Baba! Baba!
Check.